Morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning around 8:40, and we have a whole bunch of economic news to discuss. We had initial claims for unemployment come in at 5,245,000. That was slightly higher than the expectation of 5 million. We also had the Philly Fed come in at a horrendous minus 56.6 versus a minus 30, so almost twice as bad. We also have housing starts down 22.3% versus expectations of minus 15.6, and permits was the only one that actually was better at minus 6.8 million versus expectations of 14. So that's a little bit better number. The stocks were higher than lower, and now the implied open for the Dow is up about 80. When the numbers started to hit, it was down about 10. Since then, we've gone to about up 130 and settled in, as I said, currently now implied Dow open 85.65. We also had a couple of beats on earnings. Bed Bath & Beyond beat, and it's currently trading 524, up 80 cents, which is a pretty substantial move, except that yesterday, on the expectation of those earnings, the stock was actually 444, down 93. So we're kind of back in the same place. Also, ATOS, a little small cap bio, is trading 288, up $1.38, a 90% gainer. Haven't really seen the news, but the fact is, everybody has something that they put out with the word COVID in it, and they get a fairly substantial rise. This is like in 1999 when everybody and their brother would add .com to the end of their name so that they were considered .com businesses. That, of course, did not end well. So what we have here is the chart of the S&P, and we moved up and have been moving sideways. We were into this area of support at 2750 yesterday, and we just haven't had that many 2 days of anything. So this pulled back yesterday and has started back up. I think it's still pretty heavily, there's plenty of supply here at this 2820 or so. Also, gold, which was down a chunk yesterday, this morning is up $26. So that's a pretty decent move. Now, we bought the SCO, which is the inverse oil, and oil tried to rally again overnight, but did not quite make it. Let's see if I can pull it up for you. Right now, it's up about 35 cents at 2022, but overnight it had traded as high as 2053, and this is pretty much the same thing that happened yesterday. We were down. We then rallied up overnight and came back down again. We're trying to hold this $20 level. 2021 is the last. Again, if we break through all of these closes around 1960, 1950, I think we'll see about $17. Have a good morning and be careful out there.